Being able to walk pain-free is a blessing. Today, I'm going to guide you towards poses and meditations, which will help you strengthen your joints and give relief from the pain caused by arthritis. Let's begin with a small warm-up. I'm standing with my feet hip-width apart. Now I'm raising my right leg a little off the ground, pointing my toes forward and flexing my toes inwards. Let's do it for 5 times. Now, I'm repeating the same sequence on my left leg. I'm raising my right leg and rotating my ankle clockwise and anti-clockwise 3 times each. You can do the same thing in sitting position if you're finding it difficult to balance. Do it slowly. If you lose balance, stand near a wall or sit on the floor and do it with your legs extended in the front. Try keeping your gaze fixed in front of you. It's time to move on to our first pose. The first pose which I'm performing is called Tadasana or the mountain pose. To begin, I'm standing with my feet slightly apart and I'm making sure my weight is balanced on both the feet. Now, I'm inhaling and raising my arms above my head with my palms facing upwards. I'm raising my shoulders up towards my ears. As I'm exhaling, I'm rolling my shoulders back and down on my spine, while I'm opening my chest and straightening my posture. I'm relaxing my eyes and all muscles on my face, including my tongue. Next, I'm exhaling and coming back to my neutral position. For better results, repeat this asana 2 to 3 times. Please avoid this pose if you're facing severe back pain, neck pain, shoulder pain, or knee pain. The second asana which I am performing is called Uttita Hasta Padagusthasana or the leg extension pose. I am lying on my back with my legs extended and feet flexed, pressing out through the heels. I'm exhaling as I draw my right knee towards my chest. I'm looping a strap around the arch of my right foot, or you can hook your fingers around your big toe. Now, I'm extending my right leg towards the ceiling and straightening my arms, but making sure my shoulders remain intact on the mat. I am keeping my left leg engaged and pressing the top of my left thigh down with my hand. Next, I'm extending through my right heel, creating a comfortable stretch in my hamstrings. I'm staying in this pose for 5 breaths. Then, I'm opening my right leg out and bringing it towards the floor on the right side. I'm making sure my left hip is grounded, and again, I'm staying in this pose for 5 breaths. If your leg doesn't stay straight, don't you worry. You can achieve it through practice. To release the pose, I'm bringing my leg back to the center and lowering it back on the mat. Repeat the same sequence on the other side. If you're facing a hamstring injury or shoulder pain, please avoid this pose. For better results, repeat this asana for 2 to 4 rounds. The third asana I'm performing is called Makarasana or the crocodile pose. To begin, I'm lying on my stomach. I'm keeping my right palm over my left palm facing downwards. I'm resting my forehead or right cheek on my palms. Now, I'm closing my eyes and letting my whole body relax into the floor. Next, I'm letting my heels turn out and my leg flop open. With each inhalation, I'm breathing deeply while pressing my belly down on the floor. With each exhalation, I'm allowing my body to relax deeper into the floor. I will be holding this position for 3 to 5 minutes, focusing on my breathing. I can notice the relaxation and the calmness of my mind. I am allowing myself to relax completely. People with recent spinal injury, slip disc, neck pain or injuries, stomach pain or recent surgery should avoid this pose. Let's finish our session with a soothing meditation. You can sit in any comfortable posture. Join your thumb and index finger together in Jnana Mudra with the back of the palm resting on your thighs, and then close your eyes. Concentrate on your breathing and belly while it moves in and out. We need not force anything, just observe the belly movements. Stay here as long as you feel comfortable. Another way to meditate is that you can simply lie on your back with your knees bent. Keep your right hand on your navel and your left hand on the floor facing upward. Close your eyes and just observe the belly movements. Stay here as long as you feel comfortable. In this fast-moving life, yoga makes you fall in love with your body, mind, and your spirit. On this happy note, this is Sheetal taking your leave. Till then, keep growing, keep glowing.